What is up, everybody? If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for checking it out. Please do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course leave a comment. Should you do just that, will immediately qualify you for the second drawing I'll be doing for my giveaway. Stay tuned till the end for the rest of those details. For this video, I'll be discussing a Avengers Endgame synopsis released by Disney that happens to be in German. But there's a twist. When the synopsis is translated, it ends with the really obscure statement that the film will end with a bang. What does that mean? Could this be a simple mistranslation or a mistake done by whoever wrote the synopsis, or did they accidentally give away a huge film plot? Some fans believe this was indeed a major leak and have came up with these really crazy theories stating on how they believe Avengers Endgame will end, but I have to disagree with them. In my humble opinion, I believe this was just taken out of context. The only thing we really know about Avengers Endgame is that it is the end of something, such as the entire MCU culmination, and beginning of something new. I believe the Avengers Endgame film will play a lot into the quantum realm, with our favorite heroes going back in time, trying to stop Thanos from ever getting a hold of any of the Infinity Stones, essentially reversing the Infinite Snap. We already know the heroes that were disintegrated into dust will return. I mean, for crying out loud, we already have a Spider-Man sequel coming out a couple months after Avengers Endgame. We really don't know how it's going to end until we go see the movie. So, once the film is released, come back to this video and see if I was on point or if I wasn't. Do you think this synopsis had anything significant? Sound off down below. Now, let's get into the giveaway details. I will be giving away 9 Venom posters, and like I previously stated, all you have to do to qualify is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course, leave a comment. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I'll catch you next time.